Anybody we don't die. This question here is, can you do 100 push-ups? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we are back with another video, guys. So today's video is day 6 of my 7 days YouTube challenge. Yay! So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys are the realest MVPs. So guys, let us jump right into today's video. So guys, today's video is going to be the 40 question tag YouTube tag video. I have seen a couple of people do this tag, and I thought to myself, why not just include this in your 7 days YouTube challenge? So I'm going to be starting. I have the questions right here, just in case I am looking down. The questions are right on my phone, and I'm going to be reading out the questions. And shout out to Tammy for sending me these questions. I'm going to be answering them one after the other. I'm going to try as much as possible to answer these questions honestly. Let's jump right into the questions and my answers to these questions. So the first question here is, do you like blue cheese? Do I even like cheese at all? I think it's even when I moved here that I started having cheese, and I know you guys will say that, yeah, don't you know you have cheese in pizza? Don't you know they add cheese while making pizza? But trust me, blue cheese, yellow cheese, green cheese, red cheese, any kind of cheese, it's not Niella's favorite. Second question here is, Coke or Pepsi? I'm a Coke girl any day, anytime. Next question here is, are you in a relationship? Sister, what else do you want to know about it? Like, I'm in a marriage. I am married. Next question here is, whiskey, tequila, or vodka? Out of the three, I have had whiskey just a tiny bit. I've not had tequila, but I've had vodka. I'm going to choose vodka any day, anytime. Next question here is, hot dog or cheeseburger? I'm not really a burger fan. I'm not really a hot dog fan as well. None of the above. Next question here is, what do you drink in the morning? At the moment, the only thing I can say that I drink in the morning is water. What else? There's nothing I can drink in the morning when I wake up. Like, what else? Next question here is, what's your favorite food? I honestly don't have a favorite food. I'm not one of those girls who have favorite stuff or favorite things, but you guys should know by now. Next question here is, can you do 100 push-ups? This question is really funny. Even if I have taken charge of my fitness journey, I cannot do 100 push-ups at a go. In fact, before I even do 20 push-ups, I would have changed it to doing knee push-ups than full push-ups. So 100 push-ups, it's not that deep. Next question here is, what's your favorite season? I want to understand here is not season movie, but season as in weather or something. But honestly, I don't really have a favorite season. Like, especially here in Canada, once it gets to summer, you'll be praying and wishing for the cold, and when you get to winter, you'll be praying and wishing for the heat. So I honestly don't have a favorite season. Next question here is, what's your favorite hobby? I honestly don't have a favorite hobby. Honesty, I don't have, but I know I would say I like to, surf the internet for new things around beauty, fashion, things that could help me in my business, even things that could help me, as a brand. Yeah, that's basically what I do. And I listen to music, but lately I haven't really been doing a lot when it comes to listening to music as a hobby, because what I do every morning is just listen to gospel music in the morning. So that's all I do. The next question here is, do you have tattoos? No, I don't have tattoos, and I don't even plan to have tattoos in the future. Next question here is, do you wear glasses? I kind of do, yeah, but trying so hard not to allow my eyes to get used to wearing glasses. But yes, I wear glasses. I started wearing glasses last year, shortly before I moved into Canada. Next question here is, do you have phobias? Thinking about it now, I think phobia for crossing the road, but we being in Canada here, I think I wouldn't say I really have that phobia. But next question here is, do you have a nickname? And I don't have a nickname anymore. I used to have a nickname in the past where my friends from the university usually calls me that. I'm not going to mention it, but whoever that is watching, who was my friend, back in university, I'm sure you would remember that particular name you guys used to call me. Someone else even had to remix that name for me. So at the moment, I don't have any nickname. The next question here is, what's your favorite candy? I honestly don't have a favorite candy, and I'm trying to do away with sweets, candy, and the rest of that. The next question here is, do you believe in ghosts? Judging from where I come from, we've heard lots and lots of stories about ghosts and how people who die, come back, rise up from the dead and begin to torment people. Honestly, I don't believe in ghosts. Yeah. Anybody who don't die. Next question here is, what's your biggest downfall? I need to think deep about this question before I give an answer to it, but at the moment, I don't have an answer to this question. The next question here is, rain or snow? I think I'm going to take rain anytime, any day, because with the rain, you can still go out, but with snow, if it snows heavily, like the snow is as high up to this level, then going out might be difficult, and it would even have like really bad effects on the car, because when you're driving you begin to feel like you're sliding and stuff like that. Next question here is, you have piercings? I only have this one piercing here I got as a kid, and I've also been nursing the thought about getting a second piercing on my ear, but aside that, this is the only piercing I have. Next question here is, French fries or onions ring? What is onions ring? Guinea onions ring. Please give me French fries. Next question here is, how many children do you have? I currently don't have kids, and I hope to have kids in the future by the grace of God. Next question here is, can you sing? Yes, I can. Yes, I can sing. Yes, I love to sing, and yes, I can sing. The next question here is, can you whistle? Gosh, my whistling is bad. I used to be able to whistle way better than this back in the days. Next question here is, where were you born? I was born in Lagos, Nigeria. Next question here is, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 4 siblings. Next question here is, can you cook? Can you cook? You guys, be the judge. Be the judge of this question. Niella, can you cook? I'm going to leave you guys to answer this question. Next question here is, can you swim? Honestly, I cannot swim. I tried to learn how to swim in 2018, but that was a failed project. Next question here is, are you religious? Are you religious? Yes, I am very religious. Next question here is, shower or bath? I think I'll prefer the two. Shower or bath, shower and bath together. Next question here is, do you like big cities? I actually love big cities, but I don't think at the moment, I don't think I want to live in the big city. Yeah, I could work in big cities, I could visit big cities, but living in big cities, nah. After living my entire life in Lagos State, Nigeria, no. Next question here is, are you a good friend? If you're genuinely my friend, you're going to count me as a blessing and not a curse. Yeah, I'm proud. Next question here is, have you ever broken a bone? Next question here is, how many TVs do you own? How many? Do I even have up to one TV? Not to talk of owning two. At the moment, I don't own any TV. Next question here is, do you dance? Oh, yes, I love to dance, even if I don't know how to dance. AKA cheer dancer. That's us. Peace out. Next question here is, worst pain ever? I think the worst pain ever at the moment has to be, for me, is menstrual pain. Yeah, that's literally the worst pain ever for me at the moment. And I think the one that's kind of topping it is when I fell, down the stairs and broke my little finger. So I think, yeah, one of the worst pain ever. Next question here is, do you like camping? I have never camped in my life before, so I cannot answer that question. It's only people that grew up in Oyibo town that can answer that question. Yeah, but where I grew up, no camping. Next question here is, can you do a split? With this my size, for where? You want my leg to tear, like to open into two. It's not possible. No, I cannot split. Maybe if I had taken my yoga seriously, I would have been able to split, but at the moment, it's not that deep. Next question here is, are you weird? Yeah, I could say I'm weird. Yeah, and I think if you're my friends, thinks I'm weird. Yeah, and I like being weird. Yeah. Next question here is, do you prefer hot weather or cold weather? Hot weather or cold weather? Well, thinking about it now, I don't think I prefer hot weather, because with hot weather you can literally not do anything. Yeah, you cannot walk around naked, you can't go to the grocery store naked. But if the weather is cold, you always have like an option or an opportunity to do something about it. But when the weather is hot, you cannot do anything. You can only turn on the fan or turn on the AC if you're at home. But if you are walking on the road, you cannot carry your AC and be walking with you. You cannot take your fan and be walking with you. But if it's cold, there are always options. You can, dress up, cover up for the cold. But with heat, you're not fit. Guys, I think that's the last question for this 40 tags YouTube challenge, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried as much as possible to answer these questions really honest. I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead, and thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in day 7. Bye guys.